Hi YouTube, hope all is well with you today because we are making sweet cornbread. I have already started. I put flour and cornmeal, sugar, and baking powder in this bowl, and I will put up the exact measurements. I am also melting some butter. So I just took a little bit of butter and I melted it up. Hold on. Okay, so I have added my wet ingredients to my cornbread, which was heavy cream, the melted butter, honey, and 2 eggs that were slightly beaten. So now I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to whisk this together and get this going, and then I'm going to put it in my cast iron pan. The reason I melted the butter in there is so it won't stick. So it'll help me to prevent it from sticking as well, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I put my oven at 400 degrees, and it's going to bake for about 20 minutes. That's going to give me time to work on my pasta salad, my seafood salad, and my fried chicken. So I am going to mix this together, or I'm going to whisk it together. Let me see if I can find a whisk over here. Okay. So I'm going to whisk this together, and then I am going to put it in the oven. Okay, so that's the consistency it gave me once I took it out the bowl. And as I mixed everything together, I'm going to make sure there's no air in it. And I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 minutes. It only took me about 5-10 to put together. And that's only because I'm trying to record at the same time. But I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 minutes. And then okay, you guys, so I am working on my fried chicken. I have some chicken wings in here. I have on my gloves today, you guys, because I don't feel like touching this chicken today. But I have, it's marinating in my house seasoning and some poultry seasoning. And I also use Weber's Zesty Lemon Blend and mustard. So it has Dijon mustard in here as well. So that's been sitting for about an hour. And then I have my flour over here. And I'm going to fry in batches. And we're going to have fried chicken for dinner. Okay, so I'm finishing up my chicken. This is my last piece. Taking it out. And over my chicken. That's my chicken. And then let me show you the cornbread. And I also made some pasta salad, seafood pasta salad. So I'm going to plate up, and then we're going to eat.